What is BuildIn? What is BuildIn? What is BuildIn? What is BuildIn? It's a good question. What is BuildIn? Welcome along to this updated review, because BuildIn is something that I've had a few questions in different groups and different comments about what it does. And the explanation I gave, which wasn't enough, was it is like Notion. And then the next question that comes along is, what is Notion? So it is a difficult concept to explain what Notion is. And I'm just going to refer to a Facebook post that somebody asked me about this, and they asked what it actually was. So, is it a blogging platform? No. Okay. But it could be. Okay. Is it a document management? It could be. Okay. I think it is all of these things and more. Okay. It's good for document management, but let me show you. Let me show you, because I am actually struggling to come up with the exact definition of what it does. Okay, because it's I mean, yeah, it's like OneNote, it's like Keep. It's an AI workspace. Is it a content creation tool? I think it's all of these things. So let me just share my screen. Let me go back to where I was here, and let me just share the screen. And one of the things that I do like about this system, oops, not turn off my microphone, is that it allows you to, well, it allows you to record everything. Okay, so let me just find the screen here. And actually, one thing that I do like about it is that it allows you to, well, create documents. So let's have a look. I have my language coaching business here, and I've created folders, okay, for different things that I want to keep track. Okay. Now I can go in here and I can put in thoughts, and with my thoughts, I can write out different posts that I want. But not only that, what I can do is I can go into my thoughts here, and I can go into a new page, say new page, and I can call this how to describe Notion. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is actually, it's for me, here's a content creation tool. I'm going to go into BuildIn here. How would you describe Notion in an easy to understand way? So here what I'm doing, and this to me is really powerful, that I can use AI within the actual document. Okay, so notes, tasks, here it is. Okay, it says it's a task list. It can create simple database. It's just a notebook. It's a spreadsheet. It's a wiki. It's all of these things. Okay, so it's a Swiss Army knife of tools. Pardon me. It allows you to manage documents. Okay, so for example, I have all my thoughts here. I go in, I've used this, then I can just delete it, or I can keep a track. But let's say I want to keep a track of something, and why not AppSumo software? You can actually create a database here. Now, you can use this tool in a very simple way, or you can use it very advanced. This is a simple database that I have of different tools that I have. The URL, I put in the category here. I've created different categories: social media, audio, etc. If I'm using it, it's a great category. Yes. Is it for sale? Okay. And what tier did I buy of the tool? So I can create this database, and then what I can do is I can actually view this database in different ways. Okay, so I can go here and I can go view settings, and I might say I want this as a board. Okay, so It looks like this. This would be better if I want to do like a Trello type board for projects. But I can go in here and I can say I want to view this as a gallery. Okay, so each one of these is an item, and when I click on it, it will go in and it'll tell me about that particular item. Now this could be handy because, as we all know, we buy so many AppSumo deals that we forget about them. Okay, I can go in here and I mean I can use different tables like that, okay, with different views. Okay, I mean I'm only touching the surface myself with this. Okay, another thing that I have is my coaching clients. I won't show you that, but I have content summaries. Okay, I'm using Tube on AI, and I'm going in and I'm summarizing different videos. And then what I'm doing is I'm asking the AI to create worksheets for me. Okay, so at the moment I would say I'm using it more for content summaries, and I'm creating content, but I could also use it to create databases where I log student details, I log information, etc. So the answer is then, what is Notion? What is BuildIn? It's a document management system that allows you to create to-do lists, that allows you to create AI documents, mind maps. Okay, so I can create a mind map here. I can go into my AI assistant and see if it can help me with that. But I could also go in here. And if I just go in, let me just delete this because I don't really want it. I'm going to new page, and I can actually create a database here. I can create a directory, a timeline, a calendar, a form. I can ask the AI, if I just go down here, I can ask the AI to help me brainstorm, do blog posts, etc., list action items. I can create to-do lists. Okay, so this, okay, etc. And then what I can also do is I have all these different types of blocks. So I could say I want a toggle list. Now toggle lists are really good because what I can do is I can put in summary. And then when I press the toggle, I type in all my content here, and I can have it very, very neatly created like this. So it's a creative tool. It's a content tool. It's a tool that can do formulas, mind maps, headings. You can insert images. So you could actually have links to a lot of videos here, and you could create a video page, and then you could click on share and make this public. Okay. And if I did that, then what I can actually do is I can have like a wiki, an information portal. So I could put all these videos up, which I might do here as well. Okay. Paid subscriber, I can actually, and I haven't even touched any of this, I can actually become a paid subscriber. So to answer your question, what does it do? Primarily think of it as a place to keep all your documents together on a very basic level. Think of it as a place to use AI to generate content for you or to summarize content for you. And then think of it as a project management tool where you can create these like Kanban or Trello type cards, etc. So it's really versatile, and I have to say, for the price, I think it's really good. Obviously, as I always say, if you can use my link, or if I don't post it publicly in some Facebook groups, please send me a direct message because that really supports me and it makes me feel wanted, and it makes me know that these videos are helping you. So any questions, just let me know, and I'll talk to you in the next video.